So first thing is just select all, X, delete. Now Shift A, we need the plane, and press 3 and go to edit mode and press M to merge with the center. Make sure you are on the this vertex select mode, okay, and just G to grab it somewhere here, E to extrude, just keep extruding like that. Okay, now it's ready. Just go to this edge select mode and press A and move it there, and then press E to X-axis and extrude it like that. Okay, we have got the map shape, and go to object mode, and now we have to give it solidify modifier. Go there, generate solidify modifier. We're gonna give it a thickness of 5 maybe, yeah, maybe 9 is okay. Now we have to give another modifier. It's called bevel modifier. Just give it 3 segments, and amount is also 3, and just give it shade smooth. And we have a third modifier. It's called subdivision surface modifier. Just level 2, just move it up here, and now go to edit mode and Ctrl R to give it an edge loop. I'm gonna give 2 edge loop and S to scale to X-axis, something like that. So it gives this nice edges here. Okay, now go to object mode and let's set the origin to geometry and press 3 and move it up here and just rotate it like that. Now let's give some writings on the map. So Shift A, we need plane, and just press / and press 7 to go to top view and go to edit mode, and let's give it a lookup by pressing Ctrl R. Okay, 1 here, 1 here. Okay, just select both of them and Ctrl B. We have to bevel it, something like that, I think. Okay, now go to face select mode, select these faces by holding Shift and X, delete faces. Now we have got our basic shape. Just select all by pressing R and E to extrude to the Z axis, something like that. Okay, and press tab to go to object mode, and let's give it a bevel modifier. Segments 3 and amount also 3, and let's give it a shade smooth. And to fix this error, just go to geometry and sharp to let's check this arc, meter out to the arc. Now we got this nice shading. Okay, now press / again, and now just rotate it to 45 degree now, and rotate it to the X-axis to 90 degree, and move it a little bit there and scale it down, and just put it somewhere here. Okay, now move it like that, rotate it. Okay, just like that, and G, okay, just move it somewhere here. Okay, and now we have to give some road. Yeah, I want to make it road. So in order to make the road, just we need the cube. Shift A, cube, scale it down, move it somewhere here, and S to scale it something like that. Z-axis also. Yeah, I think that looks okay. Now just give it scale by Ctrl A. Now you have to give it array modifier. So I'm gonna maybe just change this something like 1.6 minus 1.6 because I want it to move to this direction. So let's give it maybe 6 cubes. Now let's apply our array modifier. Now I want this origin to be on the center, so just set the origin to geometry. Now it's in the center. Now I want to bend it something like that. So to bend this shape, just go to modifier and go to deform modifier and select the simple deform. Okay, as you can see, it's already changed its shape. Just select this bend option and to the Y, maybe Z axis. Okay, and now I want to bend it to minus more, something like that, maybe. Well, 118 is okay, I guess. Now let's select it and rotate to minus 90 degree and move it to our map's location, something like that. Okay, move it and rotate it, move it. Okay, we have got a nice. Let's rotate it more and move it up a bit. Okay, let's move this to this side a bit. Maybe it was too much, and let's copy it and move it down a bit, something like that, to give it extra detail, make it a little bit more interesting. Okay, now we have got everything selected. Just select this. I think we need to make it little adjustments, and let's give it also bevel modifier. Okay, first apply scale to all, so our modifier should work perfectly. So go to generate bevel. Okay, it's too much. Let's give it 3 segments and move it to something 3 also. Okay, now we have got our models ready. Okay, now let's select all and select this one, holding shift and Ctrl P to parent them. Okay, they all got parent. As you can see, if I move this object, the rest of the objects will move with it. Now the next thing I want to do is just select this, shift S, select the cursor, and let's rotate it something like that.